You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words or two phrases. The bottom one is a phrase in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. We've got much more videos for you at the end of this one where you're going to be able to learn. The top pronunciation here is pronounced as your, or in American English, your. The bottom phrase, which is the contraction of the words you are, as in you are beautiful, is pronounced either exactly the same as the top word, as in your, or your. So, top word your, bottom word either your, same pronunciation, or your. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.